to the kitchen. Is it Tuesday? It's hump day. I'm doing shrimp. I am not doing the macaroni salad type seafood shrimp. I am just doing your basic shrimp and crab salad. Something you can put on a sandwich. Something that's done my way in my kitchen. Remember, your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. And we're going to get started with this. First of all, you're going to need some shrimps. No, you're going to need shrimps. I'm sorry with the crab meat. You're going to need some crab meat. And I am going with this crab meat I got from my local store. Real crab meat. I won't say real crab meat. Real crab meat. I'm going to set it to the side. And also imitation. Imitation crab meat. But we got to use our hands with this, guys, okay? Because you got to like, look at that. Now, I got my crab meat from the salad bar. Because for some reason, when I buy those pack of imitation crab meats, they don't give me the same taste as the crab meat at the salad bar. The one the salad bar has is more sweeter. It tastes better. So I just went and got a container. Grab me some from that salad bar. Got my spoon. Grab me some of that crab meat from the salad bar, guys. And of course, I'm gonna let you know how many ounces of crab meat. You know I have a large. This is just keep falling. I got that for the mayonnaise. And no, I'm not. I have a seafood salad video up here, but this is something that's totally different, made totally different. And I'm just, you know, trying to get everything shredded with my hand, get the lumps of crab meat, break down the imitation crab meat. I'm not even saying that word no more. I just got 2 different types of crab meat because I feel like I want to make one of my daggone self when I say it. This smells so fresh with that leg. And I think it's not lump crabs. I got claw crab meat this time. And you can leave them as big as you want, you know. I like eggs and everything. I'm going in with 5 eggs, using my hands. This is you gotta use your hands type salad. Okay? I'm sorry. This is what it is. I am loving this. Whew, so thank you guys who've been enjoying my channel. Welcome newcomers and things like that. I had some shrimps right here that I peeled and steamed. Look at that. I'm just going to use my hand to break them in half. I didn't use too many shrimps. You want to know they're in there? But yeah, they're in there. Just break them in half. And this is one of these crab meats that it don't have the macaroni in it. So you can actually put it on bread, make a sandwich with it, and all types of stuff. I'm going to wash my hands so I can go ahead and add in my condom. Ooh, that's an add in my condom. My condom is. Oh my God. I'll be back. What's on my mind? Oh my God. Okay. Okay, guys, we back. I just want to add in my parsley flakes. If you got parsley flakes, add them in there. I wish I didn't use my fresh ones up. So if you got some fresh ones, put those in there. Smell awesome. I'm going to go in with a little bit of garlic powder. Not that much, but just a little bit. I want some Old Bay seasoning. I did the Old Bay seasoning, guys. I'm going to go in. See this lemon? Cut it in half. You know, seafood ain't seafood without the great taste of lemon juice, right? Oh, be careful with your seeds. I have to find my lemon squeezer. I do not know where's it at. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, I'm just going to stir this up real quick before I add in my mayonnaise. Oh, see all these big shrimps. Tell me somebody's not going to like that. And then I gotta have a little bit of pepper, guys. Just a little bit. We're gonna do. Okay, guys, go in with some mustard. And it's about like 3 tablespoons. Oh, no, 3 teaspoons. Don't put no 3 tablespoons of mustard in here. Again, I want some relish. Anybody like cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes? I do. And don't be it's gonna taste terrific. And I'm just gonna cut the tomatoes in half because they didn't have the little cherry ones. If you can find the little cherry ones, and I don't put a lot, just enough for color, you know, to make it look pretty. These are like the grape ones. I wanted the little cherry ones. I couldn't get any, so only a couple. This is say, what's that red in there? And if you like onions, add some onions to this. You know, it's your kitchen. You know what your family would eat. Oh, now that's all I want. Just a little color. That's it. That's all. I'll go in there with some mayonnaise. Tell me this ain't gonna be good on some toasted bread. I'm gonna use about a half a cup of mayonnaise just to get started. Whew. I gotta get some more of that. Hands been washed, and there it is. That's just enough mayonnaise. I don't want it too sloppy. I want it just right. Look at that. Just one hand. And just get it all up in there. Got the red of the tomatoes. Somebody might think it's peppers or something. Okay. I like the way this is looking. Some shrimps I cut, some I kept whole. This one go good on a baguette. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with it here at my house. If you got some crackers, some toasted rolls, let me wash my hands, remove all this other extra stuff, and show you guys. I'm just gonna taste this. You gotta taste for seasoning. That is good. We be back. Okay, guys, we back, and just to let you guys know, I added like 3 teaspoons. It's so good. Sugar to this, because I almost forgot. I have a French baguette. I got this for like $1.49, and I'm just gonna cut them. And you know what? I ain't got my right bread. And these will taste good on here. Great presentation. But like if you're trying to like have these for like an hors d'oeuvre or, you know, a snack or something for someone, tell me they are going to love it. But we're going to toast it. I took a little bit of olive oil, put it in my pan, and we're going to take some of these baguettes, just like this, cut them just like this, and sit them in the pan. They get a little bit of toasted on both sides. Get that olive oil on there. Let them toast it. Tell me you're not going to love this. And let them get, I got it on a high heat. Yes. When those get nice and toasted and brown, we're going to flip them. Look at the olive oil. You can't, look at that olive oil soaking that up. Look at that. Might need a little bit more. I ain't want to put too much. And if you don't have olive oil, use a little bit of butter, unsalted butter in the pan, and let it sizzle and do what it do. We'll be back when these be nice and brown. We're going to have them on our plate, and we're going to end this video, SoulfulT. I'm back. Oh. Okay, guys, so I got my bread right here. They really didn't get too toasted the way I want, but they got the olive oil, and they're crunchy. Yes, so I'm okay with this. The olive oil, they're crunchy. So Take your seafood salad. Now, if you don't see a tomato or shrimp, stick one on top. If you didn't get one, that's a bite full, right? Beautiful. I'm loving this. You can use this for a summertime snack with your friends. You just drinking like we do, drink cocktails and stuff. Just drinking some cocktails, having a good old time. Yes, they will love it. Ooh, that tastes so good. And you already gotta make things look pretty, right? So take some paprika, put it on top of this, and guys, seafood salad. You can use it on bread, you can use it on toast, any way you want to do it. Remember, your kitchen, your way. Always remember that. And to my next video, guys, like, share, subscribe. My seafood salad.